Hi everyone, it's Lisa with Ink and Inspirations, and we're going to be making a fancy fold with Silhouette Scenes bundle. Here is the card we're making, and it's got a base of Whisper White, and I used a sponge to sponge over the adventure word there. So we start with 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. And then I have a piece of Poppy Parade, and that is 4 by 10 1/4, scored at 2 1/2 and 5. And then you're going to fold it and make a Z fold. And then I'm going to mount that on that front of that Whisper White eventually. But first, let's add some designer paper. That is measuring 3 3/4 by 2 1/4 on the front. And then I'm going to add another piece on that back side. But first I'm going to add some crushed curry ribbon just so that it's ready to go before I put my main image on the front. And I'm just going to clip the ends there, and that's going to be ready to go. Now the crushed curry is retiring, but as the time of this recording, it's still available. So now here is a stitched rectangle for the image and the backing with Poppy Parade, and I'm just going to adhere the bottom of that so that it extends above that fold. Now that was stamped in Pacific Point and then sponged with crushed curry to give that look. So now here's the designer paper that's going to go on the back, and I added a little bit of Pacific Point blue to bring in the color from the image. So I used a sponge dauber, as you could see there earlier. So now I'm putting that on the back, and that's 3 3/4 by 5 inches. Now I'm going to take some of these Noble Peacock rhinestones that are also retiring, and I'm going to scatter that on the front. And now we're going to take the base and put this piece we've been working on over the front with some liquid glue, and then it's going to be ready to go. So the card is going to stand up on its own and have the Whisper White on the inside. So if you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com, and I will talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.